Vaheguru, 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 Vaheguru.
Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. What is the Sikh view about human nature? And how did the gurus actually come around and try to make this human nature real? Because it's not enough to have the theory, right? You have to bring it to practice, make it real. Guru Sahib tells in Japji Sahib, Taul Taram Daya Ka Put. Actually, the thing that holds the world together is dharam, righteousness, justice. What makes dharam is daya, compassion. So as far as Guru Sahib is concerned, the world should be a just place. And the only way it's just is because we have compassion. So their view of human nature is that human nature is meant to be compassionate. We are meant to connect to other human beings, to be altruistic. We're not selfish, self-serving people. Society makes us that way, but actually we are happier most when we are serving and showing compassion to other people. So let's look at how the gurus then made that real. Well, firstly, they gave us the teachings, right? The Gurbani is all about getting the compassion, about serving. Guru Sahib is praising seva all the time. But also, not just the theory, their example proves it to us. Look at our gurus. They served other people. When Guru Nanak Dev Ji set up Kartarpur, they were serving food. They were actually working. They weren't some religious leader that was separate from the people. They served the people. They tried to change society into an equal and compassionate society. Because if women are down and we conspire as men to keep them down, then we're not having compassion upon them. And Guru Sahib, by making society about equality, about compassion, about sharing, they set the example. Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, the son of Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj, when the Sangat came from Kashmir, one of the guys from Kashmir was bringing some honey to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. And Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji knew that in the journey that they'd come down, one Sikh had been very ill and he needed this honey, and that Sikh had asked the rich Sikh for a little bit of honey, but he'd refused him and said it was for Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji only. So Guru Sahib Ji themselves refused the honey. They said to him, when I asked you for it, you said no. And the principle was set by them then that any poor person's mouth is actually the Guru's offering box. So if we go to Gurdwara and we give money to Guru Sahib Ji there, we can actually take that same money and give it to a poor person who needs food and feed them, and it's the same thing. Guru Sahib is everywhere. They can see exactly what we're doing. Look at the example of Guru Harkrishan Sahib Ji when they were in Delhi and serving the poor and those that were ill. And from that, they actually passed away from the diseases that they contracted while they were serving the people that were ill. But they still served. And Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji frees, all the Hindus that were being forcibly converted by the Muslims. They said to them, no, I would defend you. So they were Hindi Chadar, Jagat Ki Chadar. This being the principle that we should put ourselves into danger to save other people's freedom. That is what the Khalsa Panth is made for. And Guru Gobind Singh themselves showed the compassion for humanity by sacrificing even their own 4 sons for the sake of the Khalsa. So Sikhi, the Guru set the example. They gave us the lessons and they gave us the examples. But also when a Sikh now looks at society, they have the system that the Guru Sahib themselves made to teach them how to be compassionate. When you walk into a Gurdwara, what you've got there is an equal playing field. Everybody sits on the same floor, listens to the same music. So you get the system of philosophy of equality in your head. When you go to the Langar hall, then you realize everybody's welcome there to come and eat. And we can actually do seva there. So by doing seva, we learn all about equality. And that system is made by our Gurus themselves. It's not that somebody else made Langar afterwards. Guru Sahib instituted Langar. The rules of Langar are very straightforward. Anybody can come and have Langar, and anybody can come there and do seva. So we learn about seva, we learn about compassion, about giving, and then we can take that learning and apply it outside in society. It's not just about doing seva in the Gurdwara, it's about learning that and applying it outside. If we look in our history, then there have been loads of examples of Sikhs who have taken this learning of Guruji and applied it outside. The prime example is Bhai Kanhaiya Ji. When they were on the battlefield and they saw the enemy soldiers lying down crying for water, they served those people water as well, and not just the Sikh soldiers. Why? Because they were full of compassion. Because they'd been made compassionate by living in Guru Sahib's presence and serving in their way. And when the Sikhs complained, Guruji themselves told that person, carry on, you're doing the right thing. because you're seeing compassion for other human beings as your primary calling. Like for example, Bhagat Puran Singh, set up Pingalwada, a home for those people that were physically less well than other people. And they're looking after people who have got illnesses, who are maybe even homeless, or maybe even people who are orphans. That is an example that the Sikhs are supporting all over the world with their Daswand. And even now, there's organizations like Khalsa Aid, United Sikhs, Seva-e-4, who are out there trying to serve humanity, and Sikhs are helping those people to do well. So actually, Guru Sahib recognizes, that human beings are innately compassionate, innately equality loving, and innately full of love for the human race. So how do you bring that out of people? How do you get them to forget, the selfishness that society teaches you to have? You make langar, you make seva, you have kirtan, you have the examples, you have all the stuff that Sikhi is all about, to teach you how to step away from what society tells you you're all about, and go inside and realize what we are actually really all about, and then apply that outside. Guruji gave us a system, and that's why they are so amazing. Forgive any mistakes I've made in this katha. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.